We're excited to share one of our most requested features around settings for your tasks that are done scheduling. You can now tell Reclaim to automatically reopen or close tasks after a fixed amount of days in the done scheduling state. By default, tasks that are done scheduling are considered open until you either manually add more time to the task or mark it as done. In other words, Reclaim has finished scheduling the time you said you needed to complete the task, but is waiting for you to confirm if it got done or not. Here are the new task settings for resolving tasks that are done scheduling. Add it back to my calendar for me until I mark it done. With this setting, Reclaim will reopen tasks after your set amount of days in the done scheduling state and automatically reschedule the original task time back onto your calendar. Mark it done for me. With this setting, Reclaim will close tasks after your set amount of days in the done scheduling state and automatically mark them as done. And the final option is the current default. You can manually add time to a task that is done scheduling so it gets back on your calendar, or manually mark it as done. If you do not do either of those, the task remains in the done scheduling state. If you select an automated setting, specify how many days you want Reclaim to wait before completing the action after tasks are done scheduling. You can manage these settings in Settings, General, Default Task Settings. Automated settings will apply to both existing and future tasks in the done scheduling state. As always, check out the description for relevant help docs to learn more about task filters and the new default task settings, or leave a comment with any questions or feedback. Happy scheduling!